Is your Ninja Speedi struggling to recognize the lid? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step, no tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your appliance will function smoothly again. Begin by checking the lid's placement. Ensure it's seated securely on the base. Misalignment can block the magnetic sensor. Lift the lid, reposition it, and press down firmly until it clicks into place. If the issue persists, inspect the lid's edge for debris or spills. Even small particles can interfere with the sensor. Wipe it clean with a damp cloth. Next, reset the appliance. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This clears temporary errors and restarts the system, resolving software glitches that might affect lid detection. If the problem continues, check the magnetic switch. Turn the Speedi upside down and gently shake it. This dislodges any stuck internal components, like the magnetic sensor responsible for lid recognition. Avoid forcing the lid open or closed, as this could damage the mechanism. For persistent issues, inspect the pressure valve. Residual pressure can sometimes cause a vacuum seal, tricking the sensor. Move the valve to the vent position and wait 1 to 2 minutes to release any trapped pressure. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to reach Ninja's customer support. If this guide helped, subscribe for more quick fixes.